Good morning, students. Today we discussed about how to publish a website. Publish a website. To publish a website means to transfer the web pages, images and style sheet related to the site to a web server from which they may be accessed by the users. This process is generally called uploading. When you want to publish a site means transfer the web pages to a web server. This process is called uploading. We can upload the website if we have an account on the web server. The internet service provider offers limited free space on the web server. We can also buy space from professional hosting providers. There are many web hosts that provide limited free space to the users. Means if you have an account on the web server, you can upload your site. The ISP provides a limited space on the server which is free or you buy from the professional hosting providers. The free space can also be for a limited time period. A free space for a limited time period. To publish a site, we need to know the settings for the space. To set up the system, to open the index.html page and go to file-publish option. This will open a publish page dialog box as shown in. When you want to publish the site, it is necessary to know the settings for the space and click on File Publish option. That is shown in the site name field. Enter name of the website. This name is only used for internal purpose by composer to refer to the website. In the website information, HTTP address means Hypertext Transfer Protocol of your home page field specify the actual web address or URL of the website. Publishing server details are provided by the ISP on the web host from when we have purchased the space. File transfer protocol is the means by which we can transfer the web page from our computer to the web host. When you want to transfer your file from your computer to host computer, so FTP protocol means file transfer protocol is used. Perform the steps maintained below. Select the site name from the drop down list if it is not selected. Enter page title if refers to the title of our index.html. Provide the file name. If this web page needs to be in a subdirectory of your site, enter in the site subdirectory field. Specify the directory for the images. Click Publish button. This will open the publishing dialog box. Composer will now upload the file and a pop-up message will shown when finished. After uploading, type the URL of the website in the browser and check the website. Here, Composer program will upload your file and then after the message is displayed. Then you type your URL address from the browser and check the site when it is properly opened or not.